Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to discuss Java Enum data types. So without much delay, let us get started. Java Enum is a data type that allows a programmer to define a set of named values. It provides a way to create a fixed set of constants that are predefined and cannot be changed at runtime. In Java, an enum is declared using an enum keyword followed by the name of the enum. Here is an example. In this example, direction is the name of the enum with four predefined values: north, south, east, and west. These values can be used in Java codes like any other constants. Java enums can also have methods, constructors, and instance variables. This makes them a powerful tool for creating type-safe self-contained objects that represents a fixed set of values. Enum types are thread-safe and can be used in switch statements. They are widely used in Java to represent things like days of the week, directions, and error codes, and many more. Okay, I'm in Eclipse. Now let me write some codes to demonstrate Java Enum. Okay, so before that I'm going to create a class new, then class Java enum demo. I need a main method. Okay, now I want to define enum data type. Say that I want to define weeks, days of the week. Say that I have a enum data type where I have 7 constants like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I can define directly something like new, then enum. Say I can define something like this. See, so this way also possible. I mean, we can do create enum data in separate file, and also it is possible to create in a class. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and I'm going to define the enum in this class itself. Okay, so enum week, then something like this. Okay, so it looks similar to a class. Okay, and I'm going to define 7 constants inside week. Okay, so remember one thing: the constants whatever we define in an enum, we generally type in capital letters. Okay, that is the convention that we follow. Okay, so Monday, okay, so Control Shift F, then S. Okay, so you can see that I have defined an enum week, and in that enum data I have defined 7 constants. Okay, I can say that this is one of the simplest example of enum. Okay, now I want to access those constants here. Okay, how can I access here? For example, say that I am accessing this one and I want to print it. Now let me execute this code. So you can see Wednesday. Okay, now similarly I can access other constant like Sunday. Okay, that's cool, right? Simple one that I have shown how to create an enum and then create the constants. Now, how we can, you know, write our constructors inside an enum. Okay, so for that, say that you just think about that Monday to Sunday. For each day I want to assign some, day of the week. Say that Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, something like that. Okay, so I need to assign some number for each day. Okay, how that can be done? So using this, I'm going to demonstrate to have constructor inside an enum. Okay, so let me define that. Cool. Okay, now it shows errors. Okay, let me see this. Okay, it shows that create constructor week, something like this. Okay, double click. Okay, so it has created the constructor. Now I want to assign say that int day 0, and whenever we access the constant, something like Monday, Tuesday, and these things will be passed to the constructor, like here. So if I access Monday, 1 will be assigned to I. If I access Tuesday, 2 will be assigned to I. Okay, similarly whenever I access Wednesday, 3 will be assigned to I. Okay, so these things, now what I can do, this dot day equal then I. Here I want to create a method to access this day. Public int okay, return day. Now we have already written Sunday to access the constant. Now let me see Sunday which day. I mean, as per the code I have assigned 7, so whenever I access something like this, get day of the week, it should display 7. You can see 7 is displayed. Okay, let me access the Monday. And now execute it. Monday is 1. See, 1. Okay, I hope that you understood what is enum. It can be used to define some constants, and also we have learned how to create constructors. A constructor, in our case, that we have defined a constructor, and we have seen how to invoke constructor using the constants of the enum. So I feel that this is one of the simplest example for enum. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Keep learning. Let us meet in the next video.